here's my new setup, the Glowforge. Got a piece of material in there, proof grade material that's come with the machine. Some medium height draft board. I'm just going to do a little test cut in this top left corner here. Set it up. It's read the barcode there. And put the settings in. And all I'll need to do when I've finished is press this little button here, which will be glowing. And then we'll watch the magic happen. It's fairly noisy. This fan, this is only on half speed. This is an external fan which I've just rigged up. It was recommended by a lot of other Glowforge users as the one to actually quieten the machine, because the one built in, the fan built in, is much noisier. So we're not actually going to hear that on this video because I'm running the external fan. But I do hope you can hear me okay, because I'm not sure if that's still quite loud in comparison. I've got a cutting mat here, my calipers, digital calipers to check the thickness of things, tape measure, that's the digital level, little jar here for the little clips I'm going to be making to help hold material down. I'll show you those in another video. Some clamps, and there's some transfer tape, masking tape for large material, because I'm not going to be able to buy the proof grade material here in the UK. Now that's a bit of a bummer, because if you do, like I say, it's got the barcode on it and it tells the machine the thickness, how to set it all up, you know, the what material it is. It's just a bit easier. I can't really do that because it's not feasible, it's not financially feasible for me to keep buying proof grade material from the US and have it shipped over here until we get a distributor. I hope they're listening, here in the UK, so we can buy stuff. Maybe we'll have to do it our own way. So I bought a bunch of materials, plywood, MDF, the same sort of materials, but I'll have to mask it myself, because the masking helps with the scorching that you get, which does wipe away. I could just use rubbing alcohol and wipe it away, but just to save that on certain prints, it might be easier just to mask it up, and then you pull the masking tape away. Also handy for if you're painting these products, which I intend to do. Some of these things are going to be painted either by spray or by hand, so the masking will come in handy. I can actually cut or score where the masking is to peel away, so I can paint just those areas. So that's the plan anyway, until we can get proof grade materials at a reasonable price here in the UK. It's just not feasible. So buying this separate transfer tape is the only way to do it. So there's the external fan. It's a Cloudline. This is the 6-inch version. There's a 4-inch version, a 6-inch version, 8-inch. The 4-inch wasn't available here. It was out of stock everywhere I looked, but I went with the 6-inch because that seemed to be most popular. The only problem is you have to then use reducers to go from reducers or increasers to go from 4 inches to 6 inches, and you can see it's a bit messy because these don't fit perfectly. They don't fit great. I've actually put some thick like draft exclusion tape inside them, a few layers of that to create a tight fit with a seal. And then I've used foil on the outside as well, so I'm hoping that holds together. I've used some crocodile clips and these other clamps as well to keep it tight, and it feeds outside my window to the garden. I'm going to put a proper vent screen on this window. I've just used this temporary zip up screen which you can buy for tumble dryers and air conditioners. I've just used that for now, just to keep it sealed so there's no blowback, but it's quite long. I'm not too sure if that's great. It feeds around the back to the side of the house as well. Excuse the messy garden, we've got a lot of work to do out there, but yeah, I'm just going to trial and error really, and then I'll learn. I mean, it could be that a lot of this exhaust pipe is too long and I need to cut it down, but I've tried to reduce the amount of turns as possible, make sure it's clear. Everything seems to be clear, the air seems to be pumping out quite well so far. And like I said, I've got this fan on 50% speed. If I increase it now, bit by bit, you'll hear it getting louder. see the pipe moving around quite a bit. I'm not sure if you can hear me okay, but I'm trying to talk as normally as possible. If I'm able to hold a conversation in here, that'd be great. It's got a life of its own though. It's expanding the exhaust, but I'm not sure if I need it on full power. This is what I need to learn. I need to learn how much power do I need from this unit. Do I need 50%, 25%, or 100%? I don't think I'll need 100% because it's a lot more powerful than the other one, the built-in fan. So I'm going to bring it back down to 50% again. Do that with this little switch here. There we go. I'm hoping that's going to be powerful enough. So anyway, I'll go to the screen, I'll do a screen recording of what I'm doing with the software, and I'll then come back and record the actual cut and engrave. It's just a little tool, a little ruler that comes with the introduction kit that you can use as a print. So I'll be using that as my first demo. So here we are at the dashboard where all the designs are kept, including ones of your own which you can upload. I'm choosing this gift of good measure keychain in the metric version because I'm normal, and this is just a free design that you can get with the Glowforge. I'm just resetting the design on the bed there. You can see there's the camera view of the material, and that's the barcode that picks up, the camera picks up to know what material it is. So this is a medium draft board. This, I got a piece of this free with the machine, as mentioned before in my previous video. I'm just placing the ruler in the top left of the material, so I'm not wasting it, the material, because I can use it for something else, something bigger. And now I'm going through and just checking to make sure the settings are correct. It's read it automatically, it does it automatically, but I still want to check. And because there's 3 different colours for different types of cut, so there's the engrave, the score, and the cut on this little demo. So some parts like the lines and numbers are being engraved, some of the lines are being scored, and the other parts on the outside and the circles are being cut. So that's pretty much ready, it knows what it's doing. If you were using your own material and your own design, you'd have to put your own settings in, including the depth of the material. So this is all done for me really, so this is just a basic demo. So all I need to do now really is press print here. It will prepare the laser, it will warm up. I can then manually turn on my external fan, get that ready, and then head over to the actual Glowforge itself and press the glowing button, and I'll record how it cuts and engraves this piece. So we're back at the Glowforge and we're ready to hit print. It's going to print it up there in the corner. Excuse the reflection there, it makes it hard to see inside, but let's go ahead and press the magic button. It's glowing at the moment, so here we go. Let's watch it do its thing. That was the scoring. And there we go. They're all done. Let's get it out and have a look.